Let's talk about the Mojawa Purra Run. It's a leap into bone conduction audio and the promise of all-day comfort, without ever clogging your ears. That design choice isn't just about style, it's about freedom. No pressure on your ear canal, no heat buildup, no disconnection from the world. You hear your playlist, yes, but also the street around you. For runners, cyclists and commuters, that's more than comfort. That's awareness. What impressed me most is how clear everything sounds. Mids are warm and expressive, vocals sit confidently in the mix, and highs sparkle without slicing into your ears. Even in noisy environments, the sound holds its ground surprisingly well. And then there's battery life, something Mojawa clearly paid attention to. You're looking at around 15 hours of playtime on a single charge. A 5-minute quick charge gives you close to 2 hours of playback. Now that's a lifesaver whether you're out hiking, late for the gym, or in between meetings. It's the kind of convenience you don't appreciate until you've experienced it. Waterproofing is also no afterthought. These are rated IP67, meaning they're ready for rain, sweat, and even full submersion. And the soft silicone coating, always cool to the touch. Grippy but never irritating. Controls are refreshingly simple. A single multifunction button handles play, pause, track skips, and calls. There's a smart touch sensitive volume slider built into the side, which once you get used to it, feels quite intuitive. Bluetooth 5.3 enables quick pairing and reliable switching between devices. And now here's what I call the silent trap. It was just a regular workday. I'd been using the Purra Run all morning when it suddenly went silent. Battery dead. Now I thought it wasn't a big deal. 5 minutes of quick charge would get me right back into the zone. But I reached into my bag and nothing. I'd forgotten the charger. And here's the kicker, it's not USB-C and it's not anything that you'd be carrying around with you either. It's a proprietary magnetic pin connector. Now the reason is perfectly justifiable. The reason for this charging port design is to provide better protection. Traditional USB and Type-C ports cannot achieve high dustproof and sweatproof functionality. They are prone to accumulating dirt and allowing water ingress. The saving grace here though is that the one cable works with all other products in the entire Mojawa line. So if you're picking up more products in this line, you won't need separate chargers. Now let's talk about sound leakage. Because with open ear audio, it's not just about what you hear, but what others might too. In quiet environments like a cafe or an office, leakage at moderate volumes is minimal. One of those rare products you don't realize you rely on until you leave it at home. For outdoor enthusiasts, these are a top tier choice. But what do you guys think? I'd really love to know your thoughts. Please comment them down below, and while you're there, leave a like and subscribe for more content from Tech Utopia. I've been Adam, and I'll see you in the next video.